Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate a little bit about the grades area in Canvas and how you can get comments and feedback from me in the grades area, as well as what you can learn about your grade in the grades area and the limitations of what you can learn about your grade in the grades area. So when you're in our English 101 course page and you're on a laptop or a computer, you'll see over in the menu at the left of your screen that there's a grades link here. And right now this number 4 that's next to grades means that there are 4 new grades that have been entered. So anytime you see a number here next to grades, it means new grades have been entered for you. So be sure to get in there and take a look. So let's click into this. Once you're in the grades area, the first important thing to know is that you don't see an overall total. So there is not a cumulative total for you to show what your overall grade in the class is. Remember that our grading contract is based primarily on your ability to demonstrate the student learning outcomes, and that does not get shown in the grades area in Canvas. What you can see in Canvas is the one element of your grade in the grading contract that is about completion of learning activities. So remember, one term of the contract is that if you complete 90% or more of the learning activities and earn the 90% or more of the completion points, then that puts you in the category of an A for the class, along with the other terms of the contract for an A. So the way you find out how you're doing with the learning activities portion of your grade, you have to scroll down to the bottom, and down at the bottom you see this item for learning activities, and then you can see, okay, there have been 26 total points so far for learning activities. I've earned 19.5 of those, so I have 75% overall right now. That puts me in the territory of a C for that part of my grade in the grading contract. It doesn't account for how you're doing with meeting the student learning outcomes on the quests, but it does show you for the learning activities portion of your grade how you're doing. So that's how you keep track of that information for that part of your grade. A couple other things I'll show you about what you can see in the grades area. One thing you'll see is this status column, and if you submit an assignment late, you'll see a little bubble that says late, and that helps you keep track of how many times you have made use of the leeway late policy. You'll also see a score for each assignment, both what points are possible and how many points you've earned. And then over to the far right, you can see whether I've left a comment for you. These little comment bubbles means there is a comment for you for that assignment. If you click on the comment bubbles, it will open a little window that shows you what the comment is. What I think is a better idea and a more helpful idea is to click into the assignment itself using the link here for the title of the assignment. When I click on that, it will open the assignment page and show me what the comment is. And the reason this is a better way to go is you can then write a comment back to me. You can ask a question. You can maybe answer a question I have asked. You can offer an explanation about something. So this is just an opportunity for you and I to have more of a conversation with each other and to help you continue to learn as we have that conversation. So for now, that is all I want to share about grades. I'll be making another short video soon so that you can learn more about how to get additional feedback that I'll be offering as we get into writing the drafts and doing the revisions of your drafts of your major quest assignments. But for now, I hope that helps you make better use of the grades area in Canvas.